Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mutate your pets in Grey Garden. This is actually my first time mutating a pet using this machine. So, your pets need to be at least a level of 50. So, like their age must be 50, like years old, I guess. Then you're just going to select submit pet here. Are you sure you want to submit that pet? Your pet will reset back to age 1. So whenever you mutate your pet, it's going to reset to the age of 1. Select confirm, and it's going to start turning, and you're going to start mutation here. It's going to take 1 hour, so just wait for another hour, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.